So why people they start to any work after a few days later they switch from their goal? Why this thing happened? Do you think it's like a specific people they are suffering such a problem? No, most of the people they suffer such a problem. It's a one kind of the human psychological problem. So well, my topic will be about this: why we people give up from any work and what is the solution to overcome such a problem. So sooner than later I will discuss about this all stuff. So let me start first of all why we switch from our work. So I will first of all put one that means causes of we why to give up from our work, and after that I will put suggestion from my side. So, in my point of view, first of all, what is the big problem of human beings? Whatever their work start, in the beginning they thought that uh, I will start, then after few days later I will be become perfect on my skills. So that is the big problem. We human beings, we don't think how many kind of the obstacle will become during this process. We think like at the end point. So that is the big demotivation. Obviously, if you learn to anything in the begin you faced many obstacles, vivid kind of the situation come to your mind. So obviously you need to much more effort for overcome this problem. But we human being thinking no, I will do lot of hard work, and after few days later I will be become perfectionist on that work. So that is the problem. So what should I do to overcome and remove such a problem? So first of all, you don't think about your conclusion. After that I will be do that thing those things. First of all, store in your mind process is very important. We people not think about process. We must be think about process. You should make that process happiness, joyful, and enthusiastic. When while learning that skill, if you would be enjoyable, if you would be like that, yes, this is so outstanding, I'm enjoying. So that skill easily you can learn it without any exhaustion. So first of all, you should focus on the process. As much as possible, try to make happy happy path to your process. So that is the one thing. And what about the second thing in my point of view? In second point is the problem is the goals. Like I'm saying, like I'm learning something new skills, and uh, we think like today, like I'm good mood. Okay, so I'm saying, okay, today I will start a huge chapter. That means like I'm reading one simple book. So think like that. Okay, today I will done three chapter, and that is very huge, and that is your mind is not exist that skills, but you have motivation, and gradually you are reading one two pages. After few minutes later you will be realize that your mind become completely or out. That means they are not capable. After that automatically in your mind coming procrastinate, think, oh god, this is so lengthy, this is so obstacle, this is so complicated, I can't do that. So that is the also one kind of the reason for give up to any work. So if you take a huge amount in your skills and try to complete in the short time, so it's become of the very dangerous thing for your give up from any job. So what should we do for shortly such a problem? So first of all, you should break your goals in the short miserable. That means easily you can do that, and easily you pursue it by your side. So if you will break that, I know that it will be take some time, but if you eat one day, so that will be not a digestible. But if you will take little by little, piece by piece, so that will be more. like I can say like digestible, that will be nourishing to your whole bodies in your mind. So that is the second problem and solution. You should that thing. And sometime now by some reason we do not follow our rule regulation. So sometime also that day we think like, oh god, today I didn't obey my rules, so okay, just leave it for today. No, if such a thing like by any reason, if you couldn't run that your action, so just calm your mind and think that okay, I should restart from right onwards and just do that. So this is also important. uh, Many times such a thing come to our mind, and we just delay that. So already I told about solution. What should you do? That means just at that time, don't give up. You should start from that end point. Okay. And in my mind, these are the reason was coming. And let me think about something. What was the reason that make give up from any work? Yes, and more important thing, our societies. Sometimes obviously, if you do any kind of the work, so around your people they will be judged to you, because still you are learning that new skill. So they think that obviously they can't do that. They try to turn to you, as well as some neighbors they have a lot of jealous. They are being uh, they are being something, like, especially why this thing happen, like your neighbor they are not trying such a thing. That's why your neighbor trying to resist to you, don't do that thing. So at that time, you just remember that you are a warrior, you are a hero in your life. You just do that, follow to your rule regulation, and completely and quite ignore such a people. They try to demotivate, demoralize to you. So this is the one kind of the one big things. So most of the time we people think like that. And more important thing, yes, related this reason, I want to say that sometime what we think like, suppose like I want to become a gymnast, and whatever thing like I want to become like learn this new language. Okay, so like this is more not my native language, and so I want to learn this language. So obviously for that I need to practice. So we feel like that, suppose if I will be practice and speaking such a language among the people, they will laugh with me. They will think like that I am showing such a knowledge and I am doing extraordinary. So such a thing come to our mind. So at that time, do just one thing, just leave it, yaar. No one thinking about yours. Just just uh, just think on yourself. Around you, how many people you observe every day? Obviously I can say 100%, it's very rarely people they observe continuously 5 minutes. That is too huge time. We don't observe to anyone. So similarly around your people, they just make a taunt and they will not focus to you. So do one thing, just think like that. Okay, ignore that, no one around me, just focus your process. Please remember that, don't focus your terminal point, don't focus on your conclusion. After that I will be become this, that I will be fail. Don't think like that, yaar. Just think your process. That process must be enjoyable. That process must be uh, like feel like motivation. Because if you do such way, then every day you will reward some motivation, and that will be work as a fuel, and you can do better way. So well, this all thing I want to say that I know that my sentence was not appropriate, but just randomly this all stuff was coming in my mind. That's why I spoke about that. So next day I will come with new thing, with new motivation. Okay, so now I'm going to signing off my video.